Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark an item as shipped on Depop after you have sent the order to your buyer. So first of all, you need to simply just start by opening your web browser and searching for depop.com. Now you can also follow the same steps inside your Depop mobile application. So first of all, when you log in into your account, you just have to click on your profile icon, then click on the option of your selling hub. Now, if you are using your mobile, then you just have to simply click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you need to come here on this particular page. Now, over here on the top, you are going to see the mark item as shipped option. If you are not seeing it over here on the home page itself, then you need to just simply look for the option of selling or sold items. And inside it, when you are in the sales section, you are going to see the option of mark as shipped. So you need to simply just select it, then enter the tracking number from your shipping carrier, then add the carrier information if Depop asks for it. Now before submitting the information, you need to carefully check the tracking number because Depop doesn't allow the tracking information to be edited after it's been added. So once you have confirmed it, the order will be marked as shipped and the tracking details will be shared with the buyer. Now make sure that you add the tracking information promptly. For sellers using their own shipping method in the US, Depop says that if tracking isn't added within 10 days of the sale, the order can be cancelled and the buyer is going to be get the refund. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.